40 degrees, that man's not hot, come on, yo. In the sauna, man's not hot, never hot.
Once upon a time.
Shabby,
Sanas on the beat.
yeah. Took a bones on the mic, yeah. Took a sing song, took a bones on the mic. Yeah. Back in the days, so no one know me. No one know me, but nowadays, so I need a one see. They don't dare feel me, then they double dare me. Oh yeah, and I miss the prayer hear me. Oh yeah, where can seminary side? Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. One is in a young one, now I the bolo, now I the bolo. Rose more, now you my the popo, now you my the popo. Now I cause of Paris, even on the Halamani. Cause now they do big things.
Baby, me up, and I'm taking my time. Just wait.
Yo, bro, what's your thoughts on homeless?
I can't say no when you
I don't know. Like, I can't judge, I guess.
Yeah.
Like, people have different situations, so
like vision and that's like
it's
Jenny.
not my place to judge. I do what I can to help.
I mean, what do you think is the main cause of homelessness?
I don't know.
Or is it a bad government, or is it bad financial management?
Yeah, you can be part of it. Financial management, circumstances. Like I said, Grace also has a lot of things to do with it, you know?
Yeah, I think that the only space for reserve.
Yeah.
I stay to myself.
Oh, guys, we're here. We are here.
All right. I guess banana would be good.
Wanna get the bananas?
Yeah. Apple. What again? Okay. 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 Bros. Uncle. Uncle. Hello? Papa. I want to give you Papa.
Yeah, you give me the side. A friend.
Friend. Friend.
No.
Okay.
Ayo, cakap sama dia. Sama lah, dia kasih dia makan. Thank you. Yeah.
Alright. How are you? What's your name?
Shaker.
Shaggy. Okay, I'm G. Alright. G, yeah. Alright. How are you doing today?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Just managing, right? Yeah. You're right.
Couldn't find a job.
Yeah. Alright.
20 years ago.
Yesterday I came in the night. I saw you here. I think it was raining that time.
Yes.
So I saw you. Yeah. I saw you there. So I said, okay, fine. I will come back and bring something for you. Bring something for you. Okay. No, it's okay. No. No need. No, don't bow to me. I'm not God. Okay. You only bow to God. Okay. Not me. Okay. It's okay.
I only bow to my mom and my dad.
Yeah.
Besides God.
Yeah. I saw you that day because I came with my friend. I saw you that day, so I really pity because you were inside here. So I said it's okay.
You don't have pity on me.
Yeah.
There are a lot of even worse.
Yeah, exactly.
What? If you can get me a job, I'm willing
You
to
work, yeah.
Okay, I want to work, but I couldn't find a job.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Oh.
I don't know what the government is doing about it.
What was the reason? Because of your physically challenged or
I'm a physical challenge person.
yeah.
So what is my
So
profession?
yeah.
I used to work for a company, a
Military company.
military company back in Singapore.
Wow.
I dealing with binoculars.
Wow.
When I came back, I'm a local boy.
Yeah.
When I came back, I couldn't find a job. There are a couple of companies here.
Is that when you had this problem?
This problem I had 18 years
18 years ago. Accident?
not exactly accident. It was kilo.